Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to deploy speech-to-text app on IBM Container Service using Terraform. On the right screen you can see there is no cluster or any app deployed in our Bluemix console. So we'll be deploying a cluster which will be running our speech-to-text application. Before I will start, let me take you through the prerequisite which is required to run this demo. First is a Terraform. We need to install Terraform. The link is present in my blog. Second is Terraform provider IBM plugin. That link is also present in my blog. Second is the environmental variables which we need to export. So these are the list of environmental variables which is required to run the demo. And one more variable is required, that is the IBM Bluemix key. So we need to export it like this. And we'll be giving our Bluemix API key which I have already exported. Now we will go to our configuration. This is our configuration file. Main.tx contains all the resources which needs to be deployed on Bluemix. We will do Terraform plan. It will list out all the resources which will be deployed on our Bluemix. So these are the resources which we're gonna deploy on our Bluemix console. There is a cluster, there is a service instance, and there is a service key, and we will be binding this service to our cluster. Now we will do Terraform apply. We'll say yes. So it is creating a service instance, and it has started creating our container cluster. Container cluster creation usually takes 20 to 25 minutes. So we will wait till our cluster will get deployed. So in the IBM console, we can see that our state is pending. So our cluster is in pending state. So by the time I take you through the configuration code. So this is our configuration code. The link is shared in my blog, so you can get the link from there. This is main.tf file. In the main.tf file, we have defined all the resources which needs to be deployed. This is the container cluster. This is service instance resource. It will create a service key, then it will bind the service to our cluster, then it will get the cluster config, and then there is a null resource which will run the kubectl command to deploy the YML file, and then we will get the app URL. Then we have the variables.tf file which contains all the attributes which needs to be set. Now we have config underscore template which contains a YML file which contains the replication controller and the ingress service code. So we can see that our cluster is deployed and it is in ready state, and we have got the app URL after the successful deployment. Now we will copy the URL, open the tab and paste it. So this is our app. Now we'll click on record audio. Hey, this is speech recognition demo. So as you can see what I am saying, it is printing that text in this. So that's all from my side. Thank you.